People. Welcome back to another video. Today we're vlogging.
Yeah, I guess we're just doing a chill vlog. So today was raining, so we weren't sure if we were going to be able to go all the places that we had intended. So I'm going to do a delivery drop-off. Don't mind the ear, people. We never really do sure. We're gonna do a delivery drop-off in half a tree.
What are you dropping off? What's the delivery? Are you ready for this, people? Are you ready?
So I have a week delivery, right?
Yeah.
Of course, I have some free goodies. So I have a delivery for at the week factor to this week.
Yeah. We'll show a little piece of that. A little piece of everything, because this is a vlog.
Yes, so
sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Wait, no, I'm telling them what everything I had planned to do. So yes, I wanted to do the delivery for the week factor, as well as I wanted us. We were going to go decor shopping because some places were having sales, and I know a lot of people love anything home related, so we wanted to show some of that as well. But you know that not more the video now go up, so if you see it, that means things work out.
We're vlogging, people. Enjoy the vlog. Even if I forgot everything and go back home, we vlog. We are showing our go.
A delivery, eh?
Yes, another day in our life.
Almost left thing. I mean, if you watch this, I almost left your weave. You come after 3 and waste your time.
Shadeka proper come out of the house without the wig. Mommy say, why you go after 3 for? Shadeka say, you go somewhere? Me not supposed to come? Them time the wig lock up in the house. No, sir.
Why is it that I'm not in it? Exactly.
She's special, people.
Anyways, guys, if you aren't following me as it, yes, I'll say it again. Please show me some support. I'm a small business on Instagram, small business overall. So even just to go over there and just like a few pictures or just follow me, it'll be supportive. Name? It's
the lighting not good. Just tell them.
Sit here.
So am I lighting it one? Bright. At the Wig Factor on Instagram.
The Wig Factor on Instagram, guys. So we have a lot of and yes, guys. Yes, you see the smirk on his face. So Orain has launched his business as well. He had already started already, you know, but now it's back up and running.
Chaperone _J.
Yes, so there's makeup, technology,
nice over there.
You know, brushes and all those stuff. But guys, continue for the vlog. Mommy's coming. See you later.
Mommy come. Alright, people. We're showing us what on. People, this is half a tree. This is Jane Bank. The girl might think we're videoing her. Yes, we are. Those are the people. There is a sign. We don't know who in Jamaica. Well, who coming after you and don't know over Yaso? Or whatever your name again, I don't remember.
Mandela.
US?
Okay.
Mandela Park, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, and there is a plane.
Come give me.
And they're off. And the nasty bike man is in the lead. But mother took the corner wide. And it seems he heard me when I called him nasty because he was giving this stink eye.
Alright guys, so I'm just here waiting on my client to come now, and then we're gonna head over to see what's going on for the businesses that are having the sale today. See, early and on time, so guys, you know, I have to wait. When it comes to delivery, I'm always on time, courteous and everything. Alright, anyways, so we're finally on the plaza and we're gonna route it and we're gonna find a place. Outside, I'm the friend of me, see? So what one that you're doing? But then I'll be doing something more. we went into that store. We were trying to look for the next one because I think it was supposed to be named Simplicity or something like that.
Yeah, we never find it.
Yeah, and we did not find it, so we're leaving. We wanted to stop at the Giselle, but there's a line, and we're not about that. Too much Giselle in Portmore. So I think we're heading back to Portmore now. Probably go to supermarket or something. Okay, just vlog today, and that's something chill. Alright, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, alright, guys. Taking some of the journey. In them, okay.
Don't you dare back out.
I'm not back up behind them, I go and just can't drive because the fire in the front.
The next day.
Hey guys, alright, so we're back on the road for today. So today Orain will be actually doing a delivery for his makeup or somebody ordered. You can actually follow his page at Shop JA, or no, Shop Around JA. I just have the name right here. So yeah, so we're heading to Halfway Tree right now.
Okay.
Alright, so it's kind of like what I was talking about, the greenhouse, and it's not too bad in the cost either. How long is it? Yeah, is this something like this? Me see, but these are for the seedlings. But no pesticide. I forgot to ask. Oh, they have more seedlings around. Pesticide, which is the inside or outside? Orain, they have, we can get one.
What is that?
Need a skeleton onion or the thyme. I want one. Or color lotion, you want? You want a skeleton? It's crazy. I know, Orain. Babe, yo, it's lettuce. Yo, it is so bad that I get excited by my boyfriend buying me seedlings. It's crazy. Oh, Orain, so some water in cans here. Alright, I need a flower pot to transport the tomato in. Is this big enough? Oh no, these are tiny. Shit. These are too tiny to put the tomato. What to this? You can put tomato in this? I don't know. It looks like one awkward shape flower spot. Yeah, this look like it can work. Yeah, this look nice. Yeah, man, never get that one here. How much for it?
I'm not sure
if at that price, then no, never get two.
Right now?
This is a good one. It deep enough, yeah, this good.
Yes, you see. HG9.
Yeah, man, we'll buy two. We're gonna get two of these guys. Alright, we just need a pesticide now and thank you. Okay. Oh, they have like ceramic pots. I never said I wanted it. I was just saying they have it. Oh, you don't work here. Is it these? No, this is liquid fertilizer. Oh, look at all the plants. I'm gonna have to go through. This is lawn fertilizer. Which part I'm so almost asked? Jesus. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to get some of these plants when we get our house and plant it up nice. Strange enough, when I usually like come here after school. I usually come here with a friend and her mother. I think I'm getting better at vlogging, Orain. I'm getting less shy and I'm holding the camera like I don't give a damn about you. Orchids? You want to get some orchids?
Where's the orchid?
Isn't that orchid?
No. Then blue stick.
Isn't it a form of orchid?
I don't.
It looks... I don't know what the hell is it then. I don't mean to say. People will ask. What kind of tree is this? It's like a little pop down tree that we usually have in our prep school.
It is.
So exactly. So when I spend money for this, I don't look at teeth, look a piece and go plant it. So what is this? Oh, these are good in a snake. These are good for cleaning the air. Eat aloe vera. Them they are good plants put in your house. Alright, so we got through with the things then. We got the well, let me flip the camera. Okay, so we got the pesticide spray bottle. We got the pesticide, a machete, so if a boy want to come talk to it. And we got some
Mr. Grass.
They will have the callaloo seed, scallion and lettuce. Orain got some more yesterday as well. I think it's hot pepper and tomato. Oh yeah, he said he got cabbage as well. Alright, Orain, tell the people what's going on.
We have pest problem in our pumpkin pot. So them nice pumpkin.
Yes, guys, we've been gardening.
We had pumpkin and peas.
Yes, there is no peas. Let me show you. So there's a pumpkin patch, right? And right there is the remnants of what was known as our peas patch. And even the pumpkin over there, so them have to retreat.
You see how them bust make my pumpkin? The tree.
Look at them eat it. Well, on there. Look at them eat it. Yeah, they're getting crazy. And then the potato slips around the other side. Yeah, them and them the potato slips them. So like this makes no sense. So we're gonna deal with them. Just like Orain dealt with the wasp, they sure as well will be dealt with. Props to you guys who can do 100% organic. Like I have school, Orain has work, Mommy has work, Orain only have so much time to be over here and help with them stuff here. So we'll have to take measures. Don't 1.5, but guess what? You can. Yeah, it's a big pumpkin patch and I want to have the potato for you. It's good. Alright, so now we're gonna add the the chemical to it. Orain have to suit up and protect himself. Can't afford
the pesticide. Our name, Definite or Definite?
Yeah. So we don't know. Some inside from my daddy Joe. Well, that's not his name, but yeah. Alright, let me step back since I don't have a no mask.
Too much layers of protection.
Yeah, I'm gonna step back because I'm just a camera person. I'm gonna just zoom in for y'all.
Shadeka, we have been robbed and water them put in at the back.
Serious?
Like clear like water, but we all know it's not water.
Wait,
So this is one.
yeah, and we're gonna work with that too. Yeah, that's it. Mix it up in a dip pop. You gotta stay far from me doing Orain, because I have on protection like you.
Yeah.
But just have some say keep it away from me. No, it's running now.